Hey dudes and dudettes, here with a another loadout video, and this match is a jackhammer, and it's using my new build. I switched up my buff gun that gives speed boost on my spawn point loadout for a mine one, and I'll be putting up what kind of gun this is and the design of it. See, we can drop 2 sets of 6 mines, so when they come around here, hopefully they'll blow up. And then we switch back to my heal gun. We of course switch back to the heal gun, and then we keep going towards theirs. When I get over there, I'll drop a spawn point. If I get over there. Yeah, well, there's the other sniper right there. This is the shirt I found from a drop. Oops, someone burnt there. There's their gun. They took both the healing. Ooh. He's coming after us. We gotta run. Come on, we gotta make it so we can drop the spawn point up on top of their thing. Got it. They're gonna kill us though. Oop, they barely missed us. Got it. Oh. Dude, we got them all on our backs, man. No heal. Around here's a healer. Yes! Come on. I think we got it. We didn't get no smashes, but we got it. Oh, someone died here. See? And now lay some more mines. Because it killed them. There we go. Now, I want to spawn back where I laid my spawn point, so bloop! I jump off the edge, and it'll spawn me back over where I was. Oh, our stuff got him. There we go. Our spawn points are working.
You have taken the hammer.
Now this is not so much support, but usually if one of my teammates grabs a hammer, I'm already over there, so I can support them as they go. Oh my goodness, we're dead. What was that about? There was no way I was making it out of there. They were expecting me over there. But the spawn point will spawn us back. He just walked right past us. Good. What?
The opposing team's hammer has been returned. You have taken
I guess
the
it
hammer.
had set up on the mountain over there. You know, when I fell, it set up on the cliff. We'll go this way this time because they're watching that side like big time.
Hammer.
Aw, my mines weren't there, so they got the hammer.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased.
There's the healing.
You dropped the hammer.
Oh, I didn't see him come behind us.
Hammer has been returned.
Dang, but we'll grab it anyways. We'll meet him over there because our spawn point, unless they grab it. We'll see how he likes it when I set up a mine.
You have taken the hammer.
Oh,
You dropped the hammer.
boy, they got this place set up.
The opposing team's hammer has been
Sniper.
You have been smashed by the hammer. The enemy has captured the hammer.
Nope, they got it. We're gonna have to go get theirs because ours is ours wasn't charged with 2 kills, so theirs is ahead. They look like little bugs. I named this Beehive because when you step on a beehive or you step near a beehive, the bees come out and get you. That's why the gun's named Beehive. But you'll see that in the gun style video where I show you what the mods are and everything. Remember on maps to keep an eye on where the chests all spawn, like this and the hill one that usually spawns here or on the other side there. Oh, there's one of them. He has hurt us bad, and he's gonna get us. He's gonna come around there and get us. Yeah, he got us. I bet he got our portal too. That guy is watching their base like crazy. Oh, he picked up my heal gun. That gun won't hit. Oh, yeah. Wow, we killed each other.
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
And the enemy stole the hammer, but they didn't get my
Your hammer has been returned.
teleport.
You have taken the hammer.
Got one, but we're low. He had on my heal gun. Did you hear it back there? And he tried to shoot me with it. Or he would have got me. Thank goodness he picked up my heal gun. That guy keeps hitting us. Oh, come on. We got one. We're gonna be hit.
You have
Yes!
successfully captured the hammer.
What am I doing? I had my heal gun on. And see, so I dropped those on the point, well, the jackhammer area. So if they come around without exploding it, they get hurt or die.
Has stolen the hammer.
And then, well, he just got it, so he's used to my trick. No, stay away. And it basically lets me go over here and try to get to their base. I should have jumped off the edge there, so I respawned, so he wouldn't be following me. They got my portal. So we laid another one. I should have laid it up here. They're not checking up here, I don't think.
You have taken the hammer.
Okay, we gotta be careful.
You dropped the hammer.
There's their hammer.
The opposing team's hammer has been returned. The enemy has captured the hammer.
Where's my team? I haven't seen one yet.
You have taken the hammer. Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has been dropped the hammer.
Oh, I was 1 second away from stomping.
opposing team's
And my
hammer
portal's
has
over
been
there on their
returned.
hammer. It's on their hammer.
You have taken the hammer. The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Come on. Come on. No. They're gonna pull it back.
The opposing team's hammer has been returned. You have taken the hammer. You dropped the hammer. You have taken the hammer. You dropped the hammer.
What was that
The
about?
opposing team's hammer has been returned. You have taken the hammer.
We have to watch for their hammer guy. He'll be coming around here soon.
You have returned
Got
the
him.
hammer.
Ha
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has
Got two.
increased.
Protect me! Oh, I'll make it, I'll make it. And we got 2 kills. Girls!
Successfully captured the hammer.
Well, no, that won't. We'll set them.
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Oh, almost got him. He's got 1 hit left. Yes!
The hammer.
Team got him.
Your hammer has been returned.
Oh, and they still haven't got the spawn point. See, hiding it in those places like that, man. Plain sight is usually the best hiding spot.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased.
Ooh, someone is chasing us, and they do quite a bit of damage. Ooh, what? I was already behind the rock. See, look at that. That is cheap.
The
He
opposing
didn't hit
team's
me.
hammer has been returned. You have taken the hammer.
I'll run this way then. This is a pretty rough game. Usually it's like this spawn point stuff. I usually capture and do pretty well, but these guys are on the ball, man. They kill you when you come out here. They're not even killing the spawn point. They're just killing me. Oh, that's my guy healing me. Aw, yes. We got it. No kills on it, but it's a hammer. And then we'll, of course, jump off the edge.
Successfully captured the hammer.
Does that Looney Tunes. Yahoo!
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Oh, they stole my this hammer. I forgot to put my mines on it. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Running the wrong way. Here, let's... Can't put a new one here, I guess, next to the other.
hammer.
Let's do this. As long as we have their hammer, they can't capture theirs. Well, capture ours. Messed that up. I could go with this spiral, but they can see you if you have a hammer.
Hammer kill. Your
You see
hammer
that?
value has
Parkour.
increased.
Free running. Guess I was leaving around him. Oh, nice. Oop, didn't get him. Friend got him first. Now we'll stay up here. I look all beat up because the new skin that they gave everybody. I thought it looked cool, especially with the blue douche shirt. Douche's couture. Oh, here he comes. Hand smash!
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased.
They're fighting down there. Peasants! The king sits atop here with his hammer.
The enemy has dropped the
Oh.
The enemy has stolen the hammer.
He dropped it and then picked it back up. Had me all excited I was going to jump off here and cap the hammer. They have 58 seconds to score. And I don't think they have enough to win unless they can grab the hammer immediately and get over there. I don't think it's possible, because I will, seriously, run. I will run like a coward.
The enemy has dropped. The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Oh, dang. I will run like a coward from anyone that shows up. They will. Oh, there he is.
The enemy has dropped the hammer. Successful. The enemy has stolen the hammer.
Yes. We got it. Ooh.
Successful hammer kill. Your hammer value has increased. You have won.
Yes! We're gonna get the daily prize. Ronald Ray gun. Get it? Nice. Ooh, my ping is jumping. You see that ping? It's doing a dance. Every time I did my taunt, the ping would go crazy. Weird. Daily prize. Remember to get on every day and get your prize at least. Play a match or two. Oh, what? Boom! It's the middle chest every time. Luck. Green Ringer t-shirt. That's cool. Okie doke. We'll start up the next video. I'm glad you, I hope you enjoyed this video. And take care, be safe, and be cool to each other.